'67 Lincoln Mark VII, just in it unique, especially in classics. This particular car, two-owner car, is all 61,000 original miles, just a tad over. Original owners of this car bought it in Colorado, and then moved to Nevada, and that is where the second owner met him. He was their neighbor, and ended up purchasing the car from them. He wintered in Nevada for Minnesota, and then drove it back here to Minnesota. No, it has not been in any sort of Minnesota winters. Extremely clean car, definitely shows. As far as underneath the hood, 5-liter 302 powered, that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Paint coat on this is 1K. It'd be considered smoke, so it's a very, very pale gray, I guess, if you will. It's kind of tough to do it justice with the still pictures in the video. Speaking of still pictures, if you want to check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory polished wheels. And of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold on this one. Actually, has electronic climate control. Interior would be Canyon Red cloth interior. Of course, bucket seats up front, the center console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the notch back. Also, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I have not noticed any paint work, anything like that on this car. Again, well-known history with just the two owners. Really not a lot for dings or nicks or scratches up and down either driver's side or passenger side. Now, there were a few, you know, from Arizona, you see it somewhere. You get the light rock chipping up front, some real fine. We can kind of see it there, and then just a little bit over here, but not bad. Just want to point that out. Now, as far as this interior, it is so tough to get this interior color to show up correctly in the videos and the pictures. So what I'm going to do is, if I step back, right there is the color of that interior. Again, it's considered Canyon Red cloth interior. What you're going to see is, as I get up on top of it, it's going to wash out. It's going to turn almost more tan, and it is not that color right there at all. That's very misleading. Remember, as I step back and you see more of that Canyon Red, there's your true color. So remember that if you're looking in the pictures. I try to do the best I can. This color, it's tough. Nicely equipped, of course. Power seats, both sides. Power locks, power mirrors, power window switches. Again, center console. Cruise and the steering. And then, of course, electronic climate control. Also kind of a primitive trip computer, if you will. That is also on the dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. All right, 61,076 miles. What do we get? 61,767. There's the exact miles. Close the door so it quits dinging. There's that, like I said, kind of primitive trip computer. It'll tell you average speed, tell you economy, distance, destination mileage, ETA. You program all that in. Kind of interesting. Average speed. So there you go. Electronic climate control, AM, FM cassette. Take a look at the dash. I will click on the radio to make sure it works since we're in here, and it does. There you go. Hear that? The radio is fine. I was also going to show you there is a power antenna switch here. Let's run that back down. It was up a second ago when we were walking around, so I'm going to show you that that works. And the seats are free of rips, tears, holes. Dash. Not sunbaked, not cracked. Headliner. Alright, so Jump around to the back so you can hear it run. I haven't noticed any modifications, anything like that. Again, AC blows cold. I can actually hear the compressor kick on and off up there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get the hood open and let's check out that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Hood open. Look at that hood liner. Talk about not being driven in any sort of inclement weather. Extremely clean. There you go. There's a 5-liter, 302. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, smooth running V8 underneath the hood here. Has been converted to from R12 134, so that's been done. There you go. 2-owner, clean Carfax, original miles, 1986 Lincoln Mk VII. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.